Welcome to Nightingale Wines Luxury Villas, where elegance meets tranquility in the stunning Hunter Valley. For booking details, don't forget to scan the QR code or check the description below. Nestled in the heart of Australia's picturesque wine country, Nightingale Wines Luxury Villas offers a serene escape with a touch of indulgence. Built in 2006, this intimate three-star retreat features 6 beautifully designed villas, each blending modern comfort with stylish elegance. Spacious living areas, plush furnishings, and private surroundings make it ideal for couples, solo travelers, or families seeking an exclusive getaway. Check-in begins at 2 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in and unwind. The attentive staff ensures every need is met, from recommendations for local wineries to arranging special requests. Families with children will appreciate the welcoming policy. Kids aged 0 to 10 stay free, making it perfect for memorable vacations. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi and enjoy the convenience of on-site parking. Surrounded by rolling vineyards, the villas offer a peaceful retreat while keeping you close to Hunter Valley's world-class wineries, gourmet dining, and scenic landscapes. Your unforgettable stay ends at 11 a.m., leaving you refreshed and inspired. Ready to experience it? Scan the QR code or check the description to book your stay at Nightingale Wines Luxury Villas today.